Ooh. Hi guys! So in this video, as you can see from the title, we are unboxing this little thing here. Well, it's not little, it's quite huge, but we've been waiting for this iMac for like a month and it's finally here. It's the 27-inch 2020 iMac. I'm so super excited to unbox this. For the specs of what iMac that I got, I upgraded a few things, so it was quite expensive, but I will put things that I upgraded down in the description bar. So let's open this. So we have this strap right here. So it's this way. I think this is the keyboard. We've got the keyboard and the trackpad is also here, and then I think this is the magic mouse, but we're gonna just put it aside and open the big baby first. Wow, it's so pretty. This is the cord. Before we unwrap the monitor, it's so pretty. We are going to put the RAM that I bought separately. So I have my pre-bought RAM right here. I bought it about a month ago. 32 gigabyte RAM. I bought 2 of them. So I bought these 2 RAMs and I'm going to insert it. So there is this plasticky thing here, and you're supposed to press this. So I opened it. Here are the previous Mac ones, so I'm going to remove all of them. And then we're gonna look at the box that it came with. The first one is this keyboard. It's so cute and pretty. I never owned a Bluetooth Apple keyboard before. The back looks like this, and this is the front. And then we've got the magic mouse. And I also bought the trackpad because I've been using the MacBook, so I'm really used to the trackpad and I really love it. But I also wanted to use the mouse for the iMac. Lastly, we've got the trackpad for accessories. So it looks like this. And then at the back, it's shiny, it has an Apple logo. Here we have the charger for, I think, the magic mouse. And then here is, what is this? So instructions for the iMac and an Apple sticker. As always, there's a wipe to wipe the monitor. charging the mouse and the keyboard, so they're in this weird position, but we still have this trackpad.
맥커스에는 보이스 오바라는 화면 읽기 프로그램이 내장되어 있습니다.
South Korea Wi-Fi. While the iMac is setting up, I wanted to briefly talk about why I bought this expensive iMac, even though I have a MacBook and an iPad. Ever since I started YouTube, I've been editing with iMovie, and then I moved on to Final Cut Pro, and I used Final Cut Pro on my MacBook. Since last year or the year before that, I have been struggling with my MacBook because it's pretty old. It's a 2014 or 2015 year MacBook. I cannot remember, but it's an old one and I've been using it. I haven't upgraded the settings when I bought it, and now the storage is too low and the RAM is too low, and it has very low graphic profile, so I always had a barrier while I was editing. I wanted to edit like 2 or 3 vlogs or any sort of video at the same time, and I wanted to put like effects and do different things and try different things, but since my MacBook couldn't handle it, it would shut off or just not allow me to do any more work on there. So I was very frustrated. Eventually, now that I'm a resident and I'm not a student anymore, time is very important to me and efficiency is very important. I realized that if I can buy a good MacBook and reduce my time and energy, that's worth something investing in. So that's why we got an iMac. It's gonna be very useful because we don't have like a home computer right now. We only have our MacBook, and my husband's laptop is pretty old, so we can't use it. Yay! So we're waiting for the Mac to do its job. Anyway, so I'm waiting for this to download the new software and to set everything, and now I'm going to put my Final Cut Pro and all the apps that I really like and need. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in buying a new iMac, or if you want to know what features that I upgraded, then it's in the down bar. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click subscribe and like this video for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!